11 of Vlogmas. I can't believe we're in double digits. Sorry about yesterday. I did start filming. We did go to Farm Foods, and that is it. Watched F1, and that is it. But yeah, today I feel like I winter clean, so I'm gonna clean all my drawers out, which is always fun. Oops, I have to pick my nan up because she's getting the kitchen done. So she's gonna come and sit down here for a little bit, just while I get sorted. But yeah, let's go. My friend Joy. I ordered from Elemis, and I've done a "you deserve this" card to myself. Use this one. I might start off my swimming well journey again. I might do it properly. Oh, it's Monday, start of a new week, sorry. I might do a food plan. Might do a menu, not a food plan, a menu. Why do I keep all the magazines? Like, these are from 2024. Not that bad, but like May, June, August, September, July. Why does it go May, June, and then just July, and then August, September? Oh, Hannah got me these. Target one, and then Hannah got me the one. And they're a bit hard. Can't actually do them. Oh, but I might take one on holiday. I have in here. Put it down. Hair mask. Oh! I'll use this for the plane. That's being kept down. I used to get Glossy Box, and these come in them. But then I don't know how long they're okay for. They don't have a going out of date on, but I wouldn't want to use them, if you know what I mean. I took them out. I've got 17 packs of tissues. Why is that? I somehow have two curly ones. One that I don't use anymore, and one that I do. Let me put this on vintage. Somebody might need it. No box though. Oh. Give it a wipe. There's no box, but might get a fiver for it. Anybody else have 1,000 ways? They don't know why they've got them, and they don't. I have iPhone, and that's not even an iPhone. So who knows? I'm gonna say I was gonna chuck them out, but you never know. I might keep them. Cause you never know when you might. I think these are for actually. Oh, I think this is for this. Oh no, let's got one on. I feel like I know what this is for. But I suppose if they've all got the same ones on, may as well. Why is this on so long? Keep them because you never know. Oh, actually, that's a USB-C. That's an iPhone charger. We'll keep that one with those. Drawers are done. That one's not done, but it is. Oh, that one I didn't do. That one's got too much in. I saw that this one's now got nothing in, but I'm gonna go put my cookbooks in here because they're all downstairs or in the nanny cupboard. We've now got wires in here instead of on the bookshelf, so now I've got a free space. Which, what can we put in it? Who knows? More things I don't need. Oh god, my legs, my knees. But yeah. Oh god. Gotta do a quick tidy up, and then I'm gonna have another go at the books. So it's time. We can do it together. Oh, solutions, we don't want that. We've got a uncut cover agent puzzle book, an interactive puzzle map. I do love stuff like this. So we've got to restore the power before there's chaos. So lovely. Oh, a myth. No, don't need a hint. 4 puzzles and 4-digit needs. Can't be a coincidence. Remove whatever's in the way, or what remains must be the combination. I think it's a word search, not word search. What do you call them? One of these. My mind has gone blank. Nine, 5, 3, 6, 9. How many quadrilaterals? That's 4. Oh my god. That goes to a 7. That goes to a 1. That goes to a 3. I got a 5. Oh, I am good. Oh god. No. I don't know whether people are stupid or what. Not swimming, everybody. But I've just had a message on Vinted. So I've uploaded my AirPods. Simple Generation 2. I don't use them anymore. I've got my Maxes that I prefer. And someone's asked me, how do you upload the AirPods? I went, eh? So I've replied, here we go. Not sure what you mean, just wonder, like, if you wonder how you can connect this Bluetooth, simple as. Nah, like, how do you put it on Vinted? I'm unsure what you mean, hon. I'm just gonna block him. Hopefully he doesn't report me. Can you report somebody? Yeah, I'm a bit bored, so I don't know what. I can't. I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling today. Good day tomorrow though. And get my nails redone. And I might pop into, like, have a good right look around Winter Wonderland. At Centre Park because I didn't do it. We went to Spa because Hannah's friends were there, so I couldn't, like, with the camera. But yeah. And it's a Oh, I'm busy, it's a Tuesday. We'll see how it goes. Yeah.
I can't do that one. Oh!
Oh, is it then?
You should do it right. Are you ready?
Right,
You got
go.
to go. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Ah!
Come on, keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1.
You want a one?
Yeah, hard. If anyone doesn't have this on TikTok.
I'll find another one. Are you ready?
Oh, is it a word one or a...
Yeah.
Car, 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 car. Car, car, cron, car, car, cron, car, car. Cat, cron, car, car, cron, car, cron, car. Car, cron. No.
It's so
It's
hard.
hard.
Yeah, just wait give me 2 seconds, I need to do this.
1, 2.
No, it's...
Well, just knock it off and put it away.
I just want one more go.
Another day done. Yeah, it'd be a short vlog this one, unfortunately, because I didn't do much, but tomorrow I'll say gets a bit more exciting. I've my nails done. Also we've got Edinburgh coming up, and I'm going for festive afternoon tea. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.